Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Businesses and other stakeholders are reminded to fast-track the integration of technology such as artificial intelligence AI in their operations. Stakeholders say if that is not done, the region risks losing out on opportunities for efficiency. Javon Keys reports.
ChatGPT, OpenAI, and Bard, just a few of the generative artificial intelligence AI tools available to users. Tools travelers around the world are also accessing to craft their trips, and on the back end, businesses are using to make operations more streamlined.
While addressing the Caribbean Travel Forum at the Montego Bay Convention Center, Minister of Tourism and Transport in the Cayman Islands, Kenneth Bryan, says the sector must adapt deliberately.
Technology is coming, and it's coming, and if we're not prepared for it within the tourism product, we're going to lose our market share or not get the market share that we can get. So focusing on the future components while at the same time maintaining that stability that we have, because while some others are already looking to the future, some of us are just saying, listen, I want to make sure that the quality and quantity that I have is sustained.
Right.
Hence the reason, sustainability.
Director of Tourism Donovan White says the private sector will have to lead the shift.
It's in our hotels, it's in our attractions, it's in our transportation, which is the touch points where consumers meet the product. And I think the low-hanging fruit to your question for that group of business owners who play in the tourism space will have to deal with how they can improve the quality of experience that every visitor have coming to the destination.
Now, to look at the issue across the region, the Caribbean Hotel and Tourism Association, CHTA, has created a technology task force.
We decided to produce an AI guide, an artificial intelligence guide for our members, so that they can understand how to capitalize on it, but also giving them the pros and cons. What are the good benchmark practices that you should do, and what are the things probably that you don't want to do? Because as we know, once you put it in that thing, especially if you use it, like a ChatGPT or so on, it is gone and it's gone to the world. So there's some proprietary information that you may not want to share, but there are other ways that it can really help you to be able to do things more effectively, give you ideas that maybe you never thought about before.
Mr. White says there are some areas prime for AI investments.
Services that include welcoming guests, services that include how they refresh their product in terms of rooms, in terms of dining areas, in terms of cleaning the property.
Now, as for jobs, the stakeholders say while they do not expect any major job cuts, there will be some changes to a number of job functions because of artificial intelligence. Reporting from the Montego Bay Convention Center for the 42nd Caribbean Travel Marketplace, I'm Javon Keys reporting for TVJ News.
Thank you, Javon. Now, gas prices are going up for this week. Effective Thursday, each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 98 cents more. Diesel will see $1.57 being added. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will increase by $1.88 and $1.41 will be added to each liter of kerosene. Propane will go for $1.02 more and butane increases by $1.25. Each gas station will make adjustments to the prices. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $156.89. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.42. $199.63 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $173.57. And to the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,718 points today, while the junior market advanced by 12 points. Among the 44 winners, MFS Capital Partners, AS Bryden & Sons Holdings, Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution, Indus Pharma Jamaica, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company. The 43 losers include Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, ISP Finance Services, Caribbean Cream, General Accident Insurance Company, and Stanley Motor. 19 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Stay with us. The newscast continues with news from overseas with the international stories.